Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get blocks in NBA 2K. To become a great shot blocker, you need to master a few key strategies. First, understanding your player's attributes is crucial. Then, proper defensive positioning sets you up for success. Finally, precise timing of your jump and block attempt will turn good defense into game-changing plays. Let's dive into these essential techniques. Player attributes and badges significantly impact your ability to block shots. A high block rating is essential, along with strong interior defense to protect the paint. Badges like Anchor and Chase Down Artist provide substantial boosts, increasing your chances of successful blocks and chase down animations. Additionally, high strength and vertical attributes allow your player to jump higher and contest shots more effectively. Mastering your positioning and timing is vital for consistent blocks. Always aim to stay between the offensive player and the basket, cutting off their driving lanes. Anticipate when the shooter will release the ball. Jumping too early can lead to fouls or missed blocks. Practice using the right stick for more controlled and powerful block attempts, which can help you get snatch blocks and avoid unnecessary fouls. To elevate your blocking game, study your opponent's tendencies. Learning their preferred moves and shot timings will allow you to anticipate and react more effectively. Remember, timing is more important than simply spamming the block button, which often leads to fouls. Focus on staying vertical when contesting shots to minimize foul calls. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the link in the description below, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.